In this video, we are going to find a way how we can write a repeating decimal into a fraction. For example, in this A part, I have 0.2 and bar over 2, and bar over 2 shows that this 2 is repeating. So like you can write it, it is actually 0 point. So this point means decimal. So this is a decimal point. So it is 0.222 and so on. So this 2 is going and going. It is never going to be n. So how can we convert this type of repeating decimal into fraction? So in simple, sometimes we write it 0.2 and bar over 2. So let's convert this into a fraction. So one is a shortcut key, that is the number of digits which are repeating. You can write those. For example, here is 2 is repeating, so you can write 2. And when how many numbers are repeating? So then one number is repeating, that is 2, so you can write it 2 over 9. So this is the answer. So in B part, you can check 5 and there is a set of 2 digits that is repeating, so you can write it like 51, and you can put 2 nines like 99 in the denominator. So this is your answer, and you know both these numbers are divided by 3, so you can write it 3 times 17 is 51 and 3 times 33 is 99. So I can answer this question, but be careful when the set of a block of digits is repeating and there is not a number between like that is not repeating in the start of the number. So you have to be careful while using this shortcut key. But how, by using algebra, we can find the answer of this question? So you can write it. Let's say we can put this value is equal to some variable, and you can say that is x. So x is equal to 0. bar over 2. So now multiply with the 10, because this time our number is repeating, only one digit is repeating, 2 2 and 2. So when I will multiply it with 10, so this decimal point will be moved to the one place to the right hand side. So multiplying by 10, I get, when I multiply x with 10, I get 10x, and when I multiply 10 with 0.2 bar, I get 2.2 bar. Now subtract, because our actual value is equal to x and we wanted to we want to find x, so we can write it by subtracting x from the 10x. I get, when I subtract this x from the 10x, I get 9x, and when I subtract this 0.2 bar from 2 minus 2 bar, I get 2. Now dividing by 9 on both sides, I get x is equal to 2 by 9. So similarly, you can solve this B part here. You can put it equal to x. X is equal to 0.51 bar over 5 and 1. This time 51 is repeating, like you can say that it is actually 0.51 51 51 and so on. So this time the set of 2 digits is repeating. So for the simplicity, sometimes we write it 0.51 and putting bar over 51. So this time a set of 2 digits is repeating. So that's why I will multiply it with 100. So how many numbers are repeating? You have to multiply by those. Like for example, if it is one digit is repeating, you have to multiply with 10. If 2 digits are repeating, then you have to multiply with 100, and if 3 digits are repeating, then you have to multiply with 1000. So by multiplying with 100, I get, when I multiply this x with 100, I get 100x, and when I multiply this right side by 100, I get 551.51 bar. So now subtract again, because we want to find x. So by subtracting this x from the 100x, I get 99x. That is simple. And by subtracting this value 0.51 bar from this value, I get 51. And now dividing by 99 on both sides, I get x is equal to 51 by 99. So this is my final answer, 51 over 99. Can you predict some general formula from these two examples, how we can write? For example, if let's say a number 0.n is repeating, so how can I convert this number into the fraction? So if n is a single digit number, it will be n by 9, and whatever n is, if n is 2 digit, then definitely I will divide it with 99. And if this n is repeating, that is repeating block, if it is 3 digits, then I will divide it with 999. So this was a common way to convert these numbers into the fractional form. So here I am putting some extra question for you. You can try it. For example, you have to try 0.99. You can convert this number into the decimal, into the fraction form. So you have to convert this one. I'm giving this example for you. I'm leaving it. So another question, this time I have 0.2 bar and let's say 9. So no, this is not, I think 2 9. So repeating this time only, this 9 is repeating, this 2 is not going to be repeat. So this value is 0.299999. So you can also convert these repeating decimal into fraction. Okay, if you don't if you are unable to find the fractional form, you can comment into the comment box. I will answer you. So I stop here. If these videos are useful for you, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.